Alright guys, welcome to this exciting course. In this course, you'll be able to create and build and structure your own social gram like this. I named mine PamchTutor. Alright, you're going to use CSS Grid to lay this part out right here from here. Okay, and you can scroll down, look at this. All laid out with CSS Grid. At this overlay effect, you will understand how an overlay effect like this can be achieved. Very well. You will understand this, guys. So I mimicked a real part right now. This is reels, like reels, so to speak. Good. This is the author's name. Fantastic. All right, you're able to create a border where it can accommodate linear gradient as the color. You're going to create that also, guys, in this PamchTutor. Then you will create a website like this. I call it the corporate site, where you have the footer down here. Look at the footer. Cool, right? With all this hover effect, and you can scroll, look at this. And this image right here, there are some animation bubbles going on there on the circles going on there. You're going to see how to create that in this course. You can scroll on and scroll on. Look at this, guys. Amazing, right? Where this is a slider, you can click and then it takes you to the next. Click, it takes you to the next. You learn how to build this from start to finish, guys. You will love this. I can assure you that. All right. Now, this navigation tool is absolutely responsive. You see how responsive everything is. I will show you how responsive they are. You'll be able to create a video tube like this, guys. Amazing video tube. You will love it. All right. Look at the navigation bar with some font awesome icons going on here. Look at this. You can scroll down right here. You can click on this part, show more, and then show less. You can keep going down right here. Look at the comment section. Good. I can keep scrolling and look at the videos aside right here. Good, guys. You're able to create your own video tube like this. Then right here, you're able to create your own social media site. Yes, friends, your own social media site where you have your navigation going on right here. Good. And then some navigations also right here. You want to create this kind of, button, or should I say a circle that shows that the person is online. You want to create that also, guys. Amazing. And then if I scroll right now, you notice that this part here are staying fixed. They are sticky. So you can keep going on and they can flow with it at some point. Look at this part where, let's say, for instance, are the conversations where your friends are online. Look at this. Can you see it? Good. Now, this is just the design. All right. So you learn how to create a design like this. And this one, we used some Flexbox going on here with some flex bases to create this layout right here, guys. So I say to you, what are you waiting for? This course is for you, built with love for you. And I can assure you that you'll learn a lot. It's not just you watching what I do, but you're going to code along with me. And you will understand the rudiment of what is happening. You will understand why this is used. Why did I use margin here? You will understand. Why did I use position absolute here? You will understand. Why did I use stop here? You will understand them. All right. How did I create this animation right here? Let me scroll here to see it. How did I create this animation of the circles right there? What happened? You will understand everything, guys. Everything will be understood. And look at this, guys. This site is laid out with CSS Grid too. All right, absolutely CSS Grid. The video tube also, I used CSS Grid to lay it out. The web social I showed you two ways to lay it out, both with Flexbox and with CSS Grid. It was done. And the PamchTutor was done with CSS Grid. This part here, CSS Grid. This part here to CSS Grid. And this part is just the basic CSS to make sure that this navigation is fixed at the side. Guys, you will love this course. I can assure you that you will love it. And guess what? They are all absolutely responsive, even up to screen sizes of like 130. Should I prove that to you? Let's inspect it and let's see it. And let's watch this. This is at 4K screen size. You'll notice that these images are going to stay at 3 each at every screen size. Look at this. I'm going down. Can you see how they are staying at? Now watch this navigation right here. Can you see this part here? Now watch it. If I scroll, boom, and it's very soon. Look at this. It becomes like this. So the text are hidden, and I can go on and on like this, on and on. Then it comes down. Look at it right here, guys. the navigation comes to the ground here. And I can keep scrolling, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Guess what, guys? I am on a screen size of, okay, let me expand this so you can see it properly. Now look at this. Let me keep going down, keep going down. See, I'm on a screen size of 129, and you can see absolutely everything is absolutely responsive. I'm at a screen size of 129. All right. Now let me bring it back to the 4K. Let's go to the conglomerate corporate site. Right click and let's inspect it. And you see it also that is absolutely responsive. Now watch this and keep going on and on and on. Look at this. Keep going. Keep going. See how responsive it is in different screen sizes. Look at it, guys. Different screen sizes. Now I am on 245. Let me expand it to 200% so you can see it properly. So now look at this. Let's keep going. See, I'm on 130, 129, and see how responsive it is from beginning to the end, guys. Amazing, right? Even including my slider. My slider is still responsive, including my navigation right now is still absolutely responsive. Isn't that amazing? Yes, friends, you learn how to create this. All of them are responsive. The video tube also, let me inspect it for you to see it. Okay, look at it. At the screen size, let me keep squishing it down. Look at it. Now watch the flows. Look at this. At a particular screen size, now boom, like that. Do you see that effect? Look at this. And then boom, it goes absolutely responsive to the very end. I can keep going. I can keep going. Now watch the navigation also, it gets responsive at some point. Yes, look at it. Now look at the navigation here at this kind of screen size, and at some point it goes responsive. And I can keep going on and on and on. I'm on 188 now. Let me expand it 200% so you can see it properly. Let me get to around that 130. Look at it. I'm on 123 screen size, and look at how responsive it is from start to finish. Isn't that amazing, guys? I can tell you that this course was built with mobile first in mind, meaning that everything designed here is built on responsiveness. Let's inspect this one for the social media side too. From this screen size, you can keep going. You keep going. Look at this. Keep going. Just watch it. You see that? Responsiveness all through. I can keep going right now. Look at these ones. At one stage, they are on 2s. Then over time, keep going, they drop to 1s. Right? Fantastic. And I can keep going down. Let me kind of increase it again for you to see it. 200% for you to see it properly. Now look at this. Let's keep going. See, I am on a screen size of 129, and look at my navigation. It's still responsive. Absolutely responsive, guys. Isn't that amazing? Right? Yes, friends. So let me kind of expand it more. So guys, everything, all of the things about the site is completely responsive. You learn how to manipulate CSS, a lot of CSS properties. You learn how to manipulate it. You learn how to manipulate CSS Grid. You learn how to manipulate CSS Flexbox in this course. And look at this. Let me try to do it this way to show you the responsiveness this way. Now look at this. I can go right here. Now watch it. Look at that. You click here. See this? I can click on this, and this is responsive. Click, and it drops down. I can uncheck it. Look at this. Click and watch this. Look at how transition effect going on here. I can click and then it turns to X. Can you see that transition effect going on in the X too? Yes, friends, you learn how to do this. Look at the video tube on this. Let me close this part. Yeah, look at this. Let's expand this, right? Now watch it. Let's keep going. Look at it. Can you see responsive all through? Nothing harming anyone. Nothing. All of them are absolutely responsive. This course is built for you guys. Look at that. Cool. Now look at this also from the corporate side. Look at this, where I can have the nav bar right now like this. If I call the footer, look at this. The footer, watch the footer. From this right now, it goes to 1s like that. It becomes responsive this way. And watch the content also, the layout. They are on 2 colons now. At one point it goes to 1 colon, at one point 2 colons, depending on the screen size, at 1.3 colons, at 1 point 4 colons like that. Absolutely responsive, guys, from the beginning to the very end. Now watch the navigation right there. Let me kind of shrink it. Now watch when the navigation, all of this, watch when all of this disappears and the hamburger appears. Look at this. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, and then boom. Can you see that? Right there, the hamburger now appears. Then you can click on it and it comes like that. Now look at the PamchTutor also. Look at this. Absolutely responsive. Now this is it. Now if I scroll down, can you see this? From here, look at the navigation from here. And then if I scroll, look at this, it comes down. Now watch this. I want you to watch it from the beginning. Look at this. Can you see the home? Everything is written right here. But watch at the particular screen size, they get hidden. Can you see that? Cool. And then it goes on, and then this comes down. Now you can also watch this part here also, guys. Watch it. Now look at this. Can you see that drop? From them, you right here, they were formerly here, and you can see the drop is going to happen somewhere. Can you see that drop right now? It's part of responsiveness. Just have to understand responsiveness. Now I want you to watch this ellipsis properly. Now watch what's going to happen to that ellipsis. Let me go. Can you see that? It transfers itself back to the top. From here, it went to the top. You're going to learn all of this in this course. This course was built with mobile first in mind. Everything about this course was carefully laid out for you.